Welcome to FollowerJet. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use FollowerJet, one of the best SMM panels in India, to boost your social media accounts on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and more. With FollowerJet, you can gain followers, likes, and views instantly at affordable prices. So, let's dive in and get started. The first step is to sign up on the FollowerJet panel. It's easy, and all you need is your email address and name. Let me show you how. Go to the FollowerJet website and click on the sign up page. Enter your name, email address, and choose a strong password for your account. Once you've filled in the details, click on the Sign Up button. Great! Now that you have signed up, you will see following success message and redirected to home page. Let's move on to the next step. Step 2 is to log into your FollowerJet account. Here's how you can do it. Go to the FollowerJet homepage. Enter the email address you used during the sign-up process. Type in your password. Once you've entered your details, click on the Login button. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the new order page. Awesome! You're now logged in to your FollowerJet account. This all are important updates regarding services. This is new order page. From here you can place all orders. Here, you can select the category and service that you want to order. There are various services available on FollowerJet SMM panel. Spend your time and read the description carefully. You will get complete details regarding service. All these prices are in USD. You can convert them in your local currency. Just select your local currency from this drop-down menu. Now all price are converted into INR. Please note converted price are just approximation and are rounded off to nearest decimals. Let's move on to the next step. Step 3 is to add funds to your FollowerJet account. On this page, you'll see various options for adding funds, such as Paytm, PayPal, and cryptocurrency. Select your preferred payment method. For this tutorial, let's use Paytm. Follow the instructions provided to make the payment. You might need to scan a QR code and enter the transaction ID or order ID. Once you've made the payment, enter the transaction ID and the amount paid in the respective fields. Click on Check to let the system verify your payment and add the funds to your account. Fantastic! You have successfully added funds to your FollowerJet account. Now, let's move on to the final step. Step 4 is to place your first order with FollowerJet. Here's how you can do it. Go back to the new order page. Select the category and service you want to order. Take a look at the available services and choose the one that suits your needs. Next, enter the link and quantity required for the service. Make sure to enter the correct link, as it can affect the order's completion. Enter the quantity of followers, likes, or views you need, and the final amount will be deducted from your FollowerJet wallet. Finally, click on Place Order to submit your order. You can check the details of all transactions from Wallet History page. Congratulations! You have successfully placed your first order with FollowerJet. You can check the order history from Order Log. Our system will process your order within 24 to 48 hours, depending on the service.